What's up, guys? It's Chris.
Warning, before attempting any plumbing repairs, make sure you shut off the main water to your home. What's up, guys? It's Chris, and today we're going to be installing the Delta Grant kitchen faucet. Hey guys, it's Chris with Plumbing Explained. Thanks for coming back for another video, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. Today we're going to be installing maybe one of my favorites, budget kitchen faucets, the Delta Grant. This thing comes in at just under $100, guys, and it is a screaming deal. I personally think Delta makes the best kitchen faucet on the market. I've felt this way now for a couple years. As I pointed out to you on the front of the box, it shows that Delta manufactures their faucets 10 times the industry standard. Their plate has this little foam gasket underneath, so you won't even need plumber's putty for this one, guys. They've got a lot of technology that they're putting into these faucets, but that little 10 times the industry standard, I mean, that alone, means the faucet's going to outlast pretty much any other faucet in its class on the market, guys. And that, to me, is a big deal, especially because we live in an area with really hard water. Another reason I really like Delta is they offer that lifetime warranty, and unlike a lot of their competitors, they really stand behind that lifetime warranty. And to me, a plumber, that means a lot. When I'm selling you this faucet, I know that this company is going to take care of you for life. So go ahead and grab your spray hose that should be attached to your spray head. Feed that down through the valve body or the neck of the faucet. And what you're going to want to do now is grab the little package that has your mounting nut, which should have 2 screws in it, and the washer. Open that package up, get the mounting nut and washer out, and what you're going to do is slide the mounting nut and washer over the spray hose. Washer first, mounting nut second. Feed it over the supply lines and then up to the base, the shank of the faucet, and hand tighten that up to the base of the sink or countertop, whatever the faucet's being mounted to. You're also going to want to make sure that the 2 black plastic nuts are with you, because you're going to be tightening those up onto those 2 black shanks right after you're done tightening up the faucet nut. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please make sure that you're subscribed. We're very close to 500 subscribers, and we're going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway as soon as we reach 500 subscribers. All you have to do to be eligible for the giveaway is be a subscriber and have commented on one of the videos. And we're going to be picking a random subscriber and a random comment, and we'll be notifying you and letting you know that you won the giveaway. So what faucet brands do you like? What faucet brands do you have the best experience with? If you're a plumber, what faucet brands do you sell to your customers? Because I know all of us have our own little brands and, models that we like for certain things. Every plumber I've ever met has, his own specific brands that he likes to sell to his customers because he trusts those products. Just like I trust the Delta kitchen faucet, but I don't like Delta bathroom faucets. I have a different thing for every little thing. I just feel like Delta has really come a long way in the last couple of years. Now they're manufacturing their faucets 10 times the industry standard. They've put a lot of research and development into their faucets, and they show that they really care. Another thing is that Delta has that lifetime warranty. They really stand behind that lifetime warranty. A lot of the other companies don't. And that's really just upsetting because, I let my customers know every time I sell them a faucet that has a lifetime warranty or a lifetime guarantee on the box, I let them know, hey, this thing is guaranteed for life. I want my customers to feel comfortable. I want them to know that I've taken care of them, not just now on this plumbing call, but I've taken care of them in the future. I've looked out for them. By using me, they've secured their future, essentially, as far as that faucet's concerned. So yeah, guys, let me know what faucets you like the best. I used to be a Moen guy, but I don't like how the Moen shank is real thin and it ends up always kind of fraying the hose, even if you use the little nut that they ended up inventing just so that it doesn't fray the hose. I've never had that happen with the Delta, especially in the past couple of years. Deltas have always been bulletproof. Even Delta shower valves, man, I mean, they're just bulletproof. They last forever. That's why they're such a pain to repair when it comes down to repairing them. Make sure after you've tightened this thing, I didn't show it here, but I tighten it up with a basin wrench, just an extra little tight. And then you're going to go ahead and screw in those two set bolts. And those two set bolts will keep the faucet tight forever. It should never come loose. If the faucet is mounted on like a granite countertop with plywood underneath, it may come loose. Again, just go down there and tighten it again with the screwdriver and you should be fine. Alright, so your next step is going to be slipping the weight down over the spray hose. Just like I did there, very simple. Another thing I love about Delta, you don't have to screw the weight together or attach the weight in any way. They've made their weight so that it is perfect. I mean, it's just, for lack of a better word, it's just perfect. You're going to go ahead and take that push to connect female fitting on the spray hose, connect it up onto the male fitting coming out of the bottom of the faucet shank, and then you're going to use that blue little clip to hold them together. Now, I suggest, since you probably don't do this all the time, once you've got those together, give it a little yank. Don't get crazy, but give it a little yank just to make sure that it's not going to come apart really easy before you turn the water on, okay? Now you're going to go ahead and attach your supply lines. Another great thing about Delta is they color coordinate those supply lines. So hot will be red, cold will be blue. I'm going to go ahead and attach the supply line to this valve here, but then unfortunately the other valve was too far. It wouldn't reach the supply line, so I had to use a little coupler that I'm going to show you here in a second. And it's always good to have one of these on your bag or your truck, or if you're a plumber or a handyman, it's always good to have a couple of these guys, because you never know when they'll come in handy. And believe me, these things will bail you out of situations where you'll just look up and praise Jesus. So this is the fitting I'm talking about, guys. It's a 3/8 by 1/2 inch male by male adapter. And this is, obviously compression threaded. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the 1/2 inch side and attach it to the 1/2 inch supply line coming off of the wall. And then the faucet is a 3/8 inch connection. So you're going to go ahead and screw the faucet connection to the 3/8 inch side of that supply line fitting. And voila. Now we're going to go ahead and run the water. Look how beautiful that faucet looks, guys, right? Oh, nice black water. I should have had my cup there to catch that for drinking. Well, I guess there's always next time, right, guys? Anyways, that's a Delta Grant. It's a beautiful faucet. I think it's a perfect budget faucet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell if you want some more.